how would one like to describe the current state of the Indian economy? It is like trying to skydive from a height of 36,000 feet above sea level without a parachute. Basically, the Indian economy is on a free fall. We are on a high free fall. And we all know what the conclusion can be if you're jumping from a height of 36,000 feet above sea level and you're not accompanied by a parachute. There is a serious crisis before the Indian economy. Let us not even make the mistake of trying to undermine the criticality of our current economic circumstances. Now, I'll come down and give you a couple of hard economic realities that will confirm how serious the situation is. Let's look at today's headline. Today's headline is that the core sector output in India, the core sector comprises of coal, it comprises of crude oil, it comprises of cement, steel, electricity, natural gas. The core sector output in India is down. In the month of September, it has actually gone negative by 5.2%. It shrunk by 5.2%. A 5.2 contraction in percentage terms makes it the worst ever in the last 19 months. So you are talking about a real Herculean fall. There's been a real Herculean fall of the Indian economy. Please also remember that the RBI is not the only body that has said that India's economy is going to struggle. Even the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, rating agencies like the Fitch have said that India has to lower its economic forecast.